Hello, math teachers. I want to show you this real quick video on how we use, or how we can use Candy in our classroom. So here we go. With Candy, the first thing you want to do is install it. So what you would do is go to your Chrome Web Store. Just type in Chrome Web Store, then type in Candy like I did, and then it will should just show up here. As you can see, I've already downloaded it, so it didn't say add the Chrome extension. You'll have to add that. Once you add that Chrome extension, I want to show you what happens. So let's say now you're trying to create an assignment, and so I want to use a PDF, but I want to use it from a PowerPoint that Miss Alfred shared with me. So she shared this PowerPoint with the team. It was called Scientific Notation Digital Maze. And so what I did was I went to that PowerPoint in Google Slides and I said download as a PDF. Click download and it's saved. Okay, so now when I go into my assignments for my class, I just go add materials, add an assignment, and then on add an assignment, I'll call this Synod Maze. Okay. Add that file. So I go here to my file, and there it is, my scientific notation maze. So I'm going to create that right inside of my assignment. So I've added that link, and now I'm going to give it a category of the daily grade. And then I think that's all I need. I could give them some directions here. Complete each maze. Now, if I go to the bottom here, this is just a bunch of stuff I've done trying to get ahead of the game for the entire year. But I click on the sign out maze here, and once I go to that assignment, the kids will see this. Now, just like you have to add Candy as a Google extension or Chrome extension, the kids will need to do that also. So we've got to get them to add this as a Chrome extension. When they do, here's what happens. Instead of them clicking on this link, they can click on Candy or with Candy. And so if they click open with Candy, now the PDF will open up inside of Candy, and Candy gives them these tools to make different kind of annotations. So with this, they can type with a text box. So I'll just put a text box right here. Mr. Sanders. And then here is a markup tool they can use, a text highlighter. This is a box highlighter. So I'm just going to try this text highlighter first. I know 4.2 times 10 to the third, that should be 4,200. So I'm going to try to pick out a color here and start that happening. Why is it that highlighting text? Then we go to box highlighter. See what I can get. There we go. Box highlighter is what I'm looking for. Okay, so with the box highlighter, I just highlighted what my answer is. Now the students can show their work, so I'm going to use a black pen. I'm going to make this mark kind of small because I want to show myself with the arrows. Maybe I'll do it in red so I can show my work. So here I'm starting with 4 and 2/10. So I'm going to move that decimal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So that's good enough for your teacher to see. Good enough for us to see how the kids are showing their work and they're making those annotations. Or they could have easily written that right here, 4.2 with a text. And I'll put that right here, 4.2. Move that up like that. Get this eraser. Clean that sucker up right there. And then come back and put another text box because you accidentally erased that one. Here we go. 4 to text. Now, I am ready to make my drawing. 1. Oops. Drawing. Now I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. So put the zeros in there. Okay. So all my placeholders are filled with zeros. So now I'm showing my work. Plus I'm doing the activity as far as color code and what my answer should look like. Okay. And so this is a great way for the kids to do it. Now here's the sweet part about this. I'm not sure what this run OCR is. I don't know. So I'm just going to say no thanks for now. But when they're finished with their work with this, they just simply click on turn in, and this assignment will be submitted to you electronically inside of Schoology. So you'll get the assignments, and they will have all the annotation work done. So you talk about seamless work, paperless work here, you're paper free. It's a sweet thing. But the goal is, of course, you got to get them to add this as a Chrome extension. And so you can see I have my Cami Chrome extension right here. So we've got to get them to do that. So once they do it one time, once they do it, it's a one-time thing. When we send them PDFs, they'll have that option to open up that file using Canvas so they can make different kind of annotations that they need to. Okay, so that's what I want to share with everybody. Y'all take care.